Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw money from Revolut to TD Bank in 2025. If you're a Revolut user looking to transfer funds to your TD Bank account, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. With updates in 2025, things might be a bit smoother, but I'll cover everything you need to know to avoid any hiccups. First off, make sure you have both a Revolut account and a TD Bank account set up. You'll need your TD Bank account number, routing number, and possibly some verification details handy. Revolut has made transfers even faster this year, so let's get started. Step 1. Open the Revolut app on your phone and log in. If you haven't updated it recently, do that now to access the latest 2025 features, like enhanced security options. Step 2. Tap on the Payments or Transfers section, usually found at the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll see options for sending money. Select Send or Transfer to Bank. Step 3. Add a new recipient by clicking the plus icon. Enter your TD Bank details carefully. Include the account number, routing number, and select the currency if it's an international transfer. Revolut now supports instant verification in 2025, so this might only take a few seconds. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on any fees. In 2025, Revolut has reduced international transfer fees, but TD Bank might charge a small incoming fee. Double-check the exchange rate if you're dealing with different currencies. Step 5. Review and confirm the transfer. You'll get a summary screen. Make sure everything looks right before hitting Send. Once confirmed, the money should arrive in your TD Bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on the bank's processing times. A quick tip. Always check your Revolut account limits, as they might have daily or weekly caps in 2025. If you run into issues, Revolut's in-app chat support is super helpful. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw money from Revolut to TD Bank in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.